Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix the archive is either in unknown format or damaged in Windows 11, 10. Open any browser. Type 7-zip in browser search bar, open 7-zip website. First find your system type, in my case system type is 64-bit. Download and install application. Right-click problematic zip file, click Show More Options. Click 7-zip, click Extract to Wallpaper. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.